So in talking about power and choice, I pulled this snippet from Facebook. This was some advice, I guess, that I was giving to a parent who was talking about how do I unschool? How do I do that? And I had to correct my language because I was mostly pointing to Canva as a possible tool for documentation. But I needed to go back and add the words if he chooses.
Oh, right.
So important. So important. Because if I give you Canva, I buy you the pro account, I show you how to use it, you even think it's cool, you're 13, you're like, oh, I can make a whole zine, and then you lose interest.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
I added these images because it can look like much of anything.